Hey everyone, this is Ms. Jacobson. In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the radius of a circle if we are given the area. All right, so in order to be able to do that kind of application, we need to recall the area of a circle, that formula. And so this is just a brief reminder that the formula to find the area of a circle is right here, pi times radius squared. All right, this question says, what is the radius of a circle with an area of 1,962.5 square inches? So I'm going to start with the formula that we know, area equals pi times radius squared. And I'm simply going to replace the capital A that stands for area with the given area. So that is 1,962.5 equals pi times radius squared. And now this is going to come down to really solving an equation, which hopefully everybody remembers how to do. So I want to try to isolate the radius term, this r squared term. I want to try to get that by itself. And so to do that, I need to do the inverse operation of multiplying by pi. And so I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by pi. And just for the purpose of this, I use 3.14 for pi, so we'll just go with that. So I'm going to take 1,962.5 and divide that by 3.14. When I do that, I get 625, and that's equal to pi divided by pi cancels out. That's equal to r squared. And so now the last step that we need to do is we need to figure out what number squared equals 625. Well, something to realize is that if I'm going to do the inverse operation of squaring something, the opposite of squaring something is taking the square root. The opposite of squaring is the square root. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the square root of both sides of that equation. And so the square root of r squared is just going to be r. The square root of 625, well, just think about that for a moment. What times itself equals 625? If you're not sure, you can use the calculator and take the square root of 625. When you do that, you should get 25. So the radius of that circle, the radius is going to be 25, and then we're talking about radius. So the label for that is going to be inches. So my answer is 25 inches.